Okay.
What's the connection with the human with the river, you know?
Connection with water.
Yeah.
With water.
The influence of the water
On human being.
on human
Yes.
being. Why rafting is so important for the good feeling of the man. When you come out from the river, you feel so great.
Okay, so
It's true.
people are living on the river from the history behind, you know. First settlements were close to the rivers always because it's a part of your body. You know, you have a lot of water inside your cells.
70%.
Something like that, and you have to drink it every day. But then it started to get boring. You know, people wanted to feel the power of nature, and when the river flows, it is really a powerful thing. You know, you can feel that it's pushing you, that you are small in the river. You know? And when you come out and you conquer it, you feel good about yourself because you managed to conquer nature a little bit. Understand? Like climbing a mountain. It's hard, but you do it to conquer something, to be good
It's
with yourself.
natural water.
That's
natural
right.
Vitalizing the
That's
human
right. That's
body.
right. Body, yeah.
And,
That's right.
and adrenaline. in addition-
Adrenaline addition, more or less. You know, it comes with the activity, of course. But I think for me, adrenaline is not important. It's nature. You know, open spaces, wonderful weather, sun. You know, that's the beauty of it. Okay, being on the river and be able to come out. You know, relax a little bit, then continue paddling. That's the beautiful thing. About it.
One of the
Open
most
space.
healthy sports.
Yeah, for sure. For
Because
sure.
not only connection to the mountain, but really the connection to the river, to the water.
That's
Water
right.
is so important for the human being.
Yeah.
I would like to ask you, how long have you practicing rafting?
Rafting?
Yeah.
I started in 1995 and you do the math, so it's almost 18 years. Yeah, long time
And
ago.
what does it mean for you, rafting?
Oh, it was work at the beginning, you know. I was in university and it was work during the weekend.
Yeah.
So I started doing it, but soon I became really good in it, you know. Then I finished university and I just continue doing what I like, you know. I'm also a climber, a mountain rescuer, a skier, and I work and I live from doing these things, you know.
Okay.
Guiding and teaching people and everything else.
Okay.
Which are the best rivers in Bulgaria you have
Yeah.
enjoyed?
I've been only on Struma, I'm afraid. But around the world I've been around 40 rivers, and one of the most beautiful one is Stara in Bosnia, border between Bosnia, and it's really beautiful.
Vesi,
What's the first word that comes to you when you hear rafting?
When you hear rafting,
забравихме Костю, знам дали се прави на Иони да
fun.
пътувате.
Fun. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fun.
We are talking about responsible travel in Bulgaria. This is very important now. And since a couple of years, responsible travel, we hear responsible travel. So when you go to destination that you make the connection to nature and to discover the nature and to pay attention
I
to
worked
nature.
for a company called Responsible Travel. I guided for them.
We are from Responsible Travel
I
Bulgaria.
guide for them in Croatia. It's
Travel
leave no
UK?
footprints philosophy, isn't it? Yeah, I did that with fun trips, multi-activity, kayaking, rafting, biking, hiking a little bit, you know, a little bit of everything. Yeah. So I worked for the Responsible Travel 10 years ago for one season.
It's good.
And how can people connect and integrate the ecology values to their trips?
Really
which
easy.
way?
Really easy. You should see me now on the course when we were doing the rafting course. Every time I was in a kayak in the eddy, I picked up all these dirty things, you know, and I throw it in the boats, in the big boats, you know. And the problem was people took it out but leave it on the bank, you know. They didn't throw it in the trash. So you have to change the way everybody thinks, and to do that you have to make an example. You can, before I smoked, I never put a cigarette butt inside the river. I always put it inside here, and when I came home, I put it out. You know, I am from Croatia. We have really nice rivers now. Everything is clear because you know what we did. Our government paid us about, let's say, 20 euro cents for one bottle.
Да.
You know, and everybody who doesn't have money just went to the rivers, picked him up, You got paid.
great
Initiative,
idea.
you know, and everything is free now. Everything. Children made money, you know, everything.
And where? Not only on the river, but
Everywhere,
in the city.
everywhere, because now when you buy a drink, that 20 euro cents, it's already in the package, you know, you pay that, you know, so it's just basically money circulating. The first part was the investment, you know, they invested money and then it just circulates, because it comes and goes, you know. They recycle it, they make new bottles, we get new bottles.
We have to continue to talk about best practices. It's,
yeah, but you can find it online, you know. It's really easy, you know. Ecological way of thinking, it's really important now, especially in European community.
In tourism and
yeah.
And last question, what would you say to people who do their first steps in rafting?
Come to a really good company and have fun!
Thank you.